Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Inform users and schedule the downtime. Once done, create a full backup of the database and files and verify checksums so you can restore. Next, enable maintenance mode, use your CMS switch or serve a 503 header from your web server because search engines will respect it. Make sure to keep an admin allow list or IP whitelist so you can preview changes while customers see the offline notice. Once maintenance mode is active, update code, plugins, and dependencies. You do this to close security holes and fix bugs. Then run any database migration scripts and validate schema changes because migrations can break live queries. After that, execute functional tests. Login, checkout, API responses, and page performance checks simulate typical user paths. Make sure to monitor logs in real time and roll back isolated changes if an error spike appears. When tests pass, disable maintenance mode and clear CDN and server caches so fresh assets serve immediately. Then verify monitoring, analytics, and error tracking show normal levels. Check synthetic transactions once more. Make sure to communicate reopening to users. If something goes wrong, act on your rollback plan. Restore the verified backup, revert the deploy, and scale back traffic if needed. And finally, document the incident and lessons learned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.